It is around today is Sunday and it's around 9:05. So I just thought I'll just hop in and just make a video or something of that sort. So I'm here taking a video. It will be just a small video. Then I might just have a breakfast or something. And yeah, that's my day. And these days I'm really busy because I need to settle down, as I said, messy paperwork. It's so rubbish that I really don't want to think about it. Like, sometimes I think if I were to take this up a year ago, I would have had a nervous breakdown. Because I know when I was handling this lady had only initials in her name. So, it was far more difficult to get an affidavit and put her whole name and stuff like that. And this lady was literally very uncooperative. But then she realized that it was having a minus point for her. So imagine your own house documents are so messy that it takes. This crow is just close to me. It's just coming closer and closer. It's to tell me something. I think it's a she crow. Now this dog I think he's a male. Hey buddy, check. Hello, look here. Hey, look here. Hello. Look here. He's still sleepy. He's going to be an international star. Do you know that? Anybody who's there sharing a screen with me. So yes, I don't know. People from Italy are watching, whoever. So skinny considering they get to eat. I don't know, because they do a lot of exercise, so that's the reason why they are skinny. I have no idea, because these dogs look very like they are from third world country. Hello, excuse me, look here. Because this is not fooling when they are lying down here. They get food to eat. I don't know, maybe because they are running around a lot, so they are very skinny. I have no clue. I don't know what is the thing. You know what I personally feel is that when I do so much of mehnat, that video gets whatever, but my shots are really taking up. See, this dog has come and he's just bones. I can count his bones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's my friend. See, listen, I'm also underweight. I'm like 54.5 kgs, not even half. I'm just 400 grams. I'm gonna put this picture. Check me out. One of my subscribers, beloved, is telling me I look younger with my haircut. Yeah, it's not only because my haircut, it's because my weight loss. I should be showing my bangles, my ceramic bangles. See, styling is hard work. When you're doing styling, it's hard work. You need to coordinate your colors, you need to coordinate your jewelry. So that's how. Who comes for a walk here with your child and wife? That lady has come in nighty. You get such a put off when you see people coming in nighty. Like, get a life, woman. Nighty is like nighty. This looks good. The doggy is just deserted because it's so hot, so they become dehydrated. Hello, darling. Listen. Excuse me, sir. He's caramel, mocha, whatever. Check out You know what I like is the sound of this particular park. In or a park, you will get to listen to all these birds so beautifully, you know. It's wonderful because there's no crowd, there are hardly any people, and you cannot walk. If anybody is walking in this heat, they must be total nutcases. You can't be walking like this, and you're an idiot because it's 33 degrees. Even when I came walking over here, I had tears in my eyes because this is the first time I actually went home. I washed my whatever that tumbler and had water and took a break. I took a break because I left at around 6:45. In fact, I met Daryl sir also going to his bakery to buy his fresh piece of bread. So 6:45 I left my home because that's the freshest cup of tea you get, and the breads are also pretty fresh. So my bun was fresh. Then he asked me where are you going. I said I'm just, because I had all the paraphernalia, I said I'm just going to have that fresh batch of tea. He's like, okay, great. Not worth it. What's up with people? Anyway, I want to zip my mouth up because if I say something, then they get triggered. यहाँ पे, you know, if you give proper advice to people na, they sit on your head. So if they are doing something wrong, let it be. In India, it is so. Into the camera, babes. Sweetie, just look into. You're going to be an international star. Just look. as though he understands my English. I prefer the animals and the birds because they have more respect and dignity in them than human beings. So I have to highlight my bangles along with nature, my jewelry. This looks nice. This looks nice. This. So another dog has come in. He's just standing next to me. Hi, baby. Hi. Though I was bitten by a dog. You know, I can't say that. I shouldn't be saying that. जब हम जिंदा होते हैं, when we are alive, we talk, we think no end of ourselves. We think the whole world हमारे मुट्ठी में है. I'll tell you something. When you die, you are the most vulnerable. You don't even know what is happening to your dead body. Who's holding it? Look. 1 minute. I have to show you something. It is these. Fucking bitch has come in a garbage bag. And what if she falls down? The dehydration is so much that the dogs, the animals are feeling the heat. वो पड़े रहते हैं. Now you've seen this? इसका कोई meaning बनता है? तो बहंडी you sit at home ना. अगर तुझे ऐसा ही लगता है कि कोई तुम्हें खा जाएगा, तो मत निकलो ना घर से. घर के अंदर रहो. Who comes? And it's almost around 9:15. $200 grams of khandvi was costing around $70, which is not bad, I guess. I don't know what is the cost in the halwai's place. Because ये खांडवी जो होते हैं ना, you have to eat it fresh. ये जो मिठाई वाले लोग बनाते हैं ना, खांडवी एंड ढोकला, इट्स बेटर क्योंकि वो फ्रेश बनाते हैं मॉर्निंग में. सो ईटिंग दैट इज़ मच बेटर देन पैक्ड फूड. एंड इवन इफ यू ईटिंग पैक्ड फूड, एज आई सेड, दैट डिलीवरी बिगिन्स, पूरी रात बनाते हैं, देन दे स्टार्ट डिलीवरिंग. एंड इन दिस हॉट सीजन बेटर टू ईट बिफोर 9:30. If you are doing नाश्ता, क्योंकि उनका खुलता है 8:30, you go there and get that packed food and just consume it. Don't even keep it. The heat is so bad. It is so bad. I can't tell you all. Hello. People are so bitchy, na. If we start looking good or you're progressing, people aren't happy with all such things except for the handful of well-wishers. Rest of them just want to see your downfall. मैंने बोला मुझे आस्तीन के सांप ही काफ़ी है कि मुझे खरीदी हुई दुश्मनी भी भारी पड़ जाती है, क्योंकि वो और उसका कोई मायने नहीं बनता है, क्योंकि आस्तीन के सांप ही डसने वाले कितने सारे हैं। वो सब, वो नागिन ही काफ़ी है मेरे लिए। घर का बेदी लंकाड़ा है, वो ही काफ़ी है। आई डोंट नीड यू नो बाहर की दुश्मनी। मैंने बोला काम डाउन योर आसेस, आई हैव मेरे खून चूसने वाले लीचेस, पनवतीज आर देयर। वो पनवती ऐसी पनवती है ना कि मैं क्या बताऊँ। मैं भगवान से बोलती हूँ कि जितने जल्द मुक्त हो जाऊँ इन पनवतियों से उतना अच्छा है। भैंचोद कहीं, सत्यानाश हो जाए उनका, सच्ची। आई शुड नॉट बी सेइंग दिस बट आई विल से दिस। मुझे कोई बोलता ना माफ़ी, मैंने बोला माफ़ उनको किया जाता है जो माफ़ी के लायक हो, जो इंसान हो। ये राक्षसनी जात, ये रंडी जातों को माफ़ी का कोई मीनिंग नहीं बनता है। ये रंडियों को ना माफ़ी या समझ में नहीं आती है। उनको उसी लायक प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स को प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स के हिसाब में ही रखना चाहिए। मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आती है। हरामी औरतों को ना उनको शुड टीच देम अ लेसन कि अभी मुंह खोला है ना, ज़बान काट के ना कौओं को खिलाने का मन करता है। कुक्का कैंची की तरह चलती रहती है। See, they are cutting the trees again and again. क्या कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है। See, I'll show you all what. I'm using a very harsh mind. It's very abusive, but this is very frustrating when you're dealing with women who talk mindlessly. Men are also talking mindlessly. I'm not taking men are really perfect and good and I'm taking their side. But when a woman go हद से ज़्यादा mindlessly dumb की तरह, idiot की तरह कुछ भी बात करती है ना, दो चार लाफे चढ़ाने का मन करता है कि bitch, stay in your limits, stay in your boundaries, don't cross it. Just because you're a woman, nobody has given you the right to just wag your tongue the way it is. I don't tolerate it. Maybe at that moment I might be a little more shant, but I just keep it in my head. I said when the right time comes, I will take up the history. I let people, I see how much of overacting they do. I let them misbehave, because I don't take immediate action. I said I want to see how much of misbehavior is happening. Don't act smart with me. Listen to this koyal. It's so pretty. Wow. क्योंकि मीनिंग नहीं बनता इफ यू गोइंग ऑन करेक्टिंग पीपल, उसका वैल्यू नहीं रहता है। सो लेट देम। मैंने बोला लेट द बिचेस बाक। कभी किसी की तो ज़बान खींच के काटने का मन करता है। फकिंग भी शट अप ऐसा। एंड वन हु डजंट वैल्यू माई टाइम ना, उनको तो मैं तभी नहीं सुनाती हूँ, बट देन आई टेक अ क्लास. I said maybe time is not important for you people, but it is important for me. I know how I'm running pillar to the post. मुझे पता है और सारी चीज़ें मुझे ही हैंडल करनी है. Maybe you all have whoever in your lives, but learn to respect people's time. I'm literally irate at the moment. I gave a piece of my mind to the Theobroma and direct to the CEO. I said, what do you all think? You all are high and mighty just because you all have a brand name? Wow, this is so cute. Now it is becoming little grey because there must be it might rain any moment. So this is a cute picture. I might click this picture, blending the picture. This is a good one because this highlights my bangle and this highlights my beautiful ring. The jewelry has to be highlighted. Okay guys, I'll post some pictures, and the whole week was so hectic and so chaotic and so erratic, I can't tell you all. It was psychotic, neurotic, all kind of tick, toxic, narcissistic, but it's okay, it's fun. Okay guys, take care of yourselves. It's 14 minutes, almost 15 minutes, so there will be 2 videos which I'll be posting today, and I've got lots of data remaining because I did not post anything, so I don't know how throughout the day if I have any energy. Take care of yourselves. Love you all. Mwah. See the doggy. It's just close to me. It's because maybe I was petting the doggy in the morning, so I think they can get the smell of it or something. So that's the reason why it's comfortable towards me. Otherwise, see the koel. Listen to this. Springtime. Wow, this is amazing. Now it's going to rain in sometimes. Yay! Rains in Mumbai is more welcoming. But when it rains, then it becomes too hot and humid. Okay guys, bye, take care. You know what I'll do? I'll give a biscuit some when I'm saying bye and I'm not winding up. Is it because okay, there is 1 minute, I'll just take a shoot of this. Babe, come and eat this. Let me shoot you. See, he's going to come. See. In the